I take a deep breath. I relax my mind, body, and spirit. I sit for a while to enjoy quality time. I value each passing moment of time. I am the sparkling point of spiritual light. I see the inner beauty of mine with the third eye of intellect. I appreciate the inner beauty of time with the third eye of divine wisdom. I am a sparkling point of divine power. I am the sparkling point of divine love. I am a sparkling point of divine magic. I am an eternal point of peace. I am an eternal point of joy. I am an eternal point of happiness. I, the soul, I explore inner space. I have the powers of determination, acceptance, and creation. I have the potential of coping upheavals of all sorts. I have the powers of courage, patience, and faith. I have the potential of coping adversities of all sorts. I have the treasure store of possibilities to be entertained. I have the pleasure of experiencing God's grace. I have the priorities of justifying my unique role in a worthwhile manner. I am here upon this earth planet to play my awesome role. I am here upon this earth planet to show Almighty's magic. I am here upon this earth planet to experience Almighty's miracles. I am a soul. I am eternal. I am a soul. I am beautiful. I am a soul. I am peaceful. I am a soul. I am powerful. I am a soul. I am precious. I am a soul. I am wonderful. Subscribe for more. Please like, comment, and share. Thank you.